How to upgrade armor in Black Myth Wukong. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you on how to upgrade your armor in Black Myth Wukong. Upgrading your armor will help you survive tougher battles, so let's dive right into it. First, locate the armorer or blacksmith in the game. You can usually find them in the main hubs or resting points within the game. Approach them to access the upgrade options for your armor. Upgrading armor requires specific materials such as ores, essences, or in-game currency. These can be collected by defeating enemies, completing quests, or exploring the world. Make sure to have enough materials for your desired upgrade. Once you're with the blacksmith, interact to open the upgrade menu. Select the armor piece you want to upgrade. You'll see a list of stats that will improve like defense, health bonuses, and other attributes. So confirm the upgrade by using the materials you've gathered. After the upgrade is complete, your armor will offer better protection and might come with additional perks, so making you more powerful in battle. And there you go, you've successfully upgraded your armor in Black Myth Wukong. Keep upgrading to make sure you're ready for the toughest challenges ahead. For more gaming tips, check the description. Thanks for watching.